So as we come to the end of an extremely successful and fulfilling expo, the last expo, um, I think it's appropriate that we're gonna. This will be our final ceremony, signing ceremony today. This relationship with the Korean Venture Investment Corporation is one. No disrespect to the other three that we signed, but the relationship that we have with Misong and the team and the time that we had in Korea and Jeju really cemented not just the professional but the personal relationship. And so this has a very special meaning for me. I think Jack would concur. And when they put the definition of partner in a dictionary, I pray that they put your picture next to it, my friend. I mean that. You have been a guiding post for us, a counselor to us. You drove us around. You served us. And so I can't speak enough about you and your team at KVIC. And so I couldn't be more excited than ever to begin this journey with KVIC as we look for opportunities between South Korea and Maryland. So thank you, sir. And I'll leave it to Jack.
Thank you very much. So Troy mentioned earlier about how being off script is a little bit of a challenge. So I can scratch all those notes that I was going to say. Let's say exactly the same thing about you. It is a great partnership. It is my great honor to be here today to represent TEDCO in signing this joint declaration. As most of you know, TEDCO is a dual mandate economic development organization focused on not only economic development, but also financial returns on behalf of the state of Maryland. Much work has gone into this day, and Young has been a great partner to us and represented South Korea with honor. And so I'll give you the microphone to talk about KVIC.
Yes, it's my honor to be here. KVIC is a sovereign wealth fund of South Korea with around $10 billion AUM. And we invest both in global VC funds and the Korean VC fund as an LP investor. We have Silicon Valley office, and in 2025, I launched my New York office. So I covered all the East Coast of the US. And one of the biggest agenda I'm pursuing now is collaboration with Maryland and TEDCO. Given its amazing science background and openness to diversity, I think the collaboration between the Korea and Maryland, KVIC and TEDCO will deepen the relationship between two countries. Thank you.
And so let me summarize the joint declaration that Young-sung and I are going to sign. Maryland, by virtue of its proximity to Washington, D.C., a lot of what you heard earlier from the governor, and concentration of federal research agencies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the National Institutes of Health, is an innovation hub with world-class competitiveness in the life sciences, cyber, and defense sectors. The Republic of Korea, supported by strong manufacturing base, a dynamic startup ecosystem, and active public-private support, continuously produces technology companies that lead in global markets. The complementary strengths and expertise of both these regions present abundant opportunities to accelerate global innovation through mutual cooperation. Under this shared vision, TEDCO and KVIC hereby issued the declaration to establish a practical foundation for bilateral cooperation. And with that, we'll sign the agreement.